Okay, so we have another problem here. Primary department for each employee. The type is easy. So we have a table name employee, which has 3 columns: employee ID, department ID, and primary flag. So employees can belong to multiple departments. When the employee joins other department, they need to decide which department is their primary department. Note that when an employee belongs to only one department, their primary column is N. Okay, so we have the employee table. When an employee okay, so if an employee is a part of more than one department, then one department is his primary flag. So here 2 has 2 departments, 1 and 2, and 1 is his primary flag. But for 1 and 3 we have only single rows, therefore department 1 for employee 1 and department 3 for employee 3 is primary department. So let's select the employee ID. So let's get the data for the employees who are primary employees, who have a primary flag and who have department IDs more than 1. So let's select employee ID, comma, department ID from employee. Here primary flag is yes. Okay, so we have employee ID and department ID. Okay, so now let us do the union. It will simply we will simply get 2 tables. In one table we have all the employees who have more than one department and their primary flag is yes. In another table we will simply get all the employees who have only one department, and if they have only one department, then that is their primary flag also, which will be no. So select employee ID, comma, department ID, where employee ID not in select department employee ID only. So with this query we will get the data which will be different. Okay, so unknown column employee ID, select employee ID, comma, department ID from employee, where employee ID not in. So it is correct. Let's submit it. Okay, the solution is correct.